Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Pavoni Professional, and pretty much what we did is we went and did a tune-up, clean out everything, disassembling all the pieces, replacing them with new ones. And so we're going to do a test shot and test the steam. So I already have our grounds ready and prepared. Now let this set in. Pull the lever up. And press down. There's a shot going for you. A beautiful shot. Really pretty. Then we're going to test the steam one. And that's working well also. That about does it. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.